Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got a limited edition beauty box from Boots and it is the new and trending edit. Inside contains 17 products, 14 of which are full size. It has a value of £280 and 86p and it can be bought for £55. So if you're interested in this for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description. I'll pop a link to the actual beauty box page on the Boots website because they've got a few different beauty boxes there, and you'll also see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, you'll find everything down there. So yeah, so let's get on showing you what's inside. A little bit of a sneak peek. Loads of products to get through. Oh, let's start off with a spray. This is Scalp and Hair Therapy by Dove. It's Damage Rescue by Face Serum in oil. Peptide complex, niacinamide, protects and enhances hair. Look at that, look at that. Let's give it a bit of a shake. I haven't seen this before. Hair becomes up to 2 times smoother, frizz control up to 72 hours, ultralight texture, enhances hair color vibrancy, improves manageability. Okay. Let's scrunch that into my hair a bit. I'm really struggling with my natural hair. The brighter copper are hair extensions. The darker copper is my natural hair that didn't go as bright when I dyed it last time. But I don't know if you can tell, but my hair's growing curly. But then the ends of my hair, but can you see there? So I've got new hair growth to about there. And then all the ends here are my old dead hair. I've got androgenic alopecia, so I'm constantly trying to defrizz it. So yeah, that might be quite nice. We've got a spray there. Right, we've got REHAB Retreat, hydrating under eye patches. Wake up tired eyes with a refreshing boost. These cooling hydrogel patches help to smooth, brighten and hydrate the under eye area for a well-rested look. And there's 5 pairs in there. Haven't tried REHAB Retreat before. Got some eye patches there though. So yeah, hydrating under eye patches. I do like under eye patches. Got Genabelle PDRN Rejuvenating Mask. Dramatically improves skin elasticity and firmness. So it's a mask that brightens the skin and improves the appearance of age spots. Again, another brand I haven't tried before. This is Truly Glazed Donut Aftershave Oil. Vanilla, niacinamide, passion fruit, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. And yeah, there's 90 mils. Oh, I bet this is nice. It's an aftershave oil. I'm currently lasering my body at the minute. I have got this at-home laser device you might have seen. I've done 2 videos so far since I've been trying the lasering out. And I was mainly concentrating on my chin at first, but now I'm on my legs and my pubic area. And haven't noticed any difference yet. I've only done a few sessions. I have to shave before I laser, so this might be really nice to apply afterwards. I love the bottle design. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So does it smell nice? Oh, smell vanilla. Yeah. It's glazed donut. Exactly. That's what it smells like. It smells like cookie dough or something like that, you know? But yeah, I like that. Definitely use that. We have got here Zeroid, and this is intensive cream, intensive care for severe dry and disordered skin. There's 80 mils there. So yeah, definitely new for me. Just says cream for severely dry and damaged skin. I'm assuming for your body. It doesn't say otherwise. Yeah. It's nice and thick. It does feel really, really nice. Oh, nice and soft on my hands. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, I like that. Intensive body cream there by Zeroid. I think that's how you say it. I'm really sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Then we have got Flora Glow. This is Rose Liquid Mask, boosted with 10% PHA. And this is by Mamonde, I think. It's a facial serum. I love the packaging. That is gorgeous. Flora Glow Rose Liquid Mask Facial Serum. First ever 10% PHA formula with low irritation for a soft skin texture and gentle glow. You use it after cleansing and before applying a toner. Look at that packaging, isn't that gorgeous? So it's a liquid mask, look at it. It's watery, so there's no point me pouring that and showing you. It's just going to be liquid. I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. I think it's Korean. You just apply it with your hands and tap it into your skin. So we got that. If you've tried any of these products, then let me know what you think. We got Sachet or Sashu. I don't know. I'd say that. I have had this brand before. It's a Korean brand, and I'm sure I've had makeup in beauty boxes from this brand before. I used to get a Korean subscription beauty box a couple of years ago, and I loved it. It was a little bit different. We've got a eyeshadow stain. I love a stain. Long wearing liquid eyeshadow in Sugar. So it's a rose gold shimmer. That's very, very pretty. Let's try. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. That's loads there. That is so pretty. Really, really, really pretty. I just want to see how much of a stain it is. You can see there, very subtle. But that's fine. It's fine. It's a long-lasting liquid eyeshadow there. Then we've got a SPF I do really like, and I've got one behind me. This is by Bioma, and this is SPF 30 sunscreen ultralight face liquid with hyaluronic acid and astaxanthin. It's a barrier boosting sunscreen. Love, love, love this brand. It's quite an affordable brand as well. It's a gorgeous Korean brand. Their moisturizers, their body creams, their shower gels, they're all really, really stunning. I've been using this one over the last couple of months. It's lightweight, easy to absorb into the skin. Makeup sits on top of it really nicely. So yeah, really like that one. Then we've got Bumble and Bumble. And this is Hairdresser's Invisible Oil, long-lasting styling cream. Lasting moisture and style retention. It's 200 mils here. Okay. Hydration and style your hair won't forget. Infused with our signature 6 blend oil. It hydrates, style retention, reduces frizz and flyaways, softens, smooths, prevents breakage, heat protective and silicone free. You just apply it to damp hair and style. So what is the difference between that and this then, really? I suppose this is more for really damaged hair, more of a styling cream with the added benefits as well. Yeah, I like that. Then we've got number 7, Good Intent Dew Bank Water Cream, hyaluronic acid and camellia oil, and it's 100 mils here. A quenching cocktail of hyaluronic acid and camellia oil in a lightweight, fast absorbing water cream. I am sure I've got this already. I'm sure I have. Definitely got something in this gorgeous range, but I haven't tried it yet. Sounds lovely. Dew Bank water cream. That might be a really nice one to use coming into the warmer months as well. Something a bit more lightweight. Okay, what have we got? You've still got lots of things left. You've got Fenty Beauty, and this is Traced Out Lip Pencil Liner. Love the eyeshadow stain. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's really nice. A nice nudie pink, like a dusky pink rose. It's nice and soft as well. So you can fill your lips with that. And smudge it out maybe. Yeah, no, I really, really like that. I do like Fenty Beauty makeup. Oh, we've got NARS. What have we got here? The Multiple. Dolce Vita. There you go. So for eyes, lips, cheeks, etc. It's another pretty colour. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. I like that as a cheek colour as well. It blends out really nicely. Has it got like a shimmer to it? Oh, it does. Very, very faintly, I think. Has it? I don't know. Or is there something else on my hand? That's so pretty. I really, really like that. It does remind me very much of the blush I've been using non-stop for probably about 6 months or so. It's Danessa Merrick's one, the Rose and Brunch. I just love it. I'm wearing it today. I wear it every day. Then we've got Ole Henriksen, and this is Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment in Crème Brulee. I've yet to try one of these. Look, Excuse the state of my hands. There. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That is really, really nice. Just nice and natural, but oh, that is lovely. Does it smell? Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it does. It smells exactly like creme brulee. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. That is so good. Yeah, I love that. A peptide lip treatment there. We've got ultraviolet, and this is an SPF 50+, Supreme Screen Hydrating Facial Sunscreen. And there's 15 mils here. Love this brand for SPF. They do some really, really lovely ones. And yeah, I love that. I love that it's in a little one. Handy to take away with me somewhere. Then we got a mascara. Maybelline. Lash Sensational Body, I think it is. That's what it looks like. I love trying new mascaras. It's black. Look at the wand. That's a nice wand. So it's a twisty, curly one. So hopefully that will get right in at my lashes. My roots, I should say. Yeah, mascara. Then we got Sol de Janeiro. This is Rosa Charmosa Dewy Cream. Charosa 91 fragrance. Crystal Peptide and Brazilian Yacon Essence. A little one here. And there's 25 mils. Have I tried this before? I can't think. Oh my gosh, I always find these really hard. Oh, to open. Okay. Ooh. Oh, they're just so thick. Really nice and thick. Just to give your skin a gorgeous luminous glow. That is pretty. That is really, really pretty. It's okay. I don't know if I'd go out and buy it. What is the smell? I really love the cream. I love the dewy look. That is beautiful. I would wear it, but I don't know if I would actually go out and buy it, you know? And then we've got one item left, and this is Ceramide Atto Lotion, mild moisturizing lotion, strengthens skin, moisture barrier, and provides soothing effects for dry and sensitive skin. There's 68 mils there. And what is that brand called? Illyoon? Illyoon? Try a little bit on here. I'm layering on top of something that I put on here earlier, I know. No. Unfragranced. Feels really nice. It's quite lightweight. Mild moisturizing lotion that strengthens skin, moisture barrier, and provides soothing effects. Yeah, that's a nice one. And there you go. Those are all the items inside the new and trending edit from Boots. So 17 products in total, 14 are full size, has a value of £280.86 and could be bought for £55. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you tried any of these products before? Do you think it's a bargain? Do you think it's a really great box? Let me know what you think. Take care. Bye.